This is part 5 of the video solutions for the Coordinate Geometry Quiz Review worksheet. In this video I'm going to cover part G and part I right below it. Those two parts are related to each other. So in part G we want to find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to AD and goes through the point 6,5. So we found that the slope of AD all the way at the beginning of this problem was 3/4. So that means that the slope for our problem has to be the opposite reciprocal, or some people say the negative reciprocal. So the opposite reciprocal would be negative 4/3. So now we've got this point here and this slope here. All we're missing is the y-intercept, so we know how to find that. So let's go ahead and do that. We've got y equals mx plus b. My value of y is 5. My value of the slope is negative 4/3. The x value I have is 6/1 plus b. So 5 is equal to negative 24/3 plus b. Negative 24/3 is negative 8. Then I'm going to add 8 to both sides, so I get that 13 is equal to b. So now I have my y-intercept. I can go ahead and write my final equation. Y equals m, which is negative 4/3 times x, plus 13. So there's the equation of the line. And we're going to go ahead and graph that. Now, the technique I used in the last video was to graph the y-intercept and then use the slope. In this case, the y-intercept is going to be off the graph. So I'm going to start with the point that they give us over here, 6,5, and then use the slope. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's my point, and I know my slope is negative 4/3. So I'm going to go down 4. That's a negative direction. And to the right 3, that's a positive direction. So here's another point. And then I'm going to go up 4. That's a positive direction. And to the left 3, that's a negative direction. So as long as you go one positive direction and one negative direction, you'll be okay. And we'll go ahead and we'll draw in our line right there. There we go. And there you have it. So again, strongly recommend that you rewatch the video at least one more time. And if you still need more clarification, check with your teacher in class. We'll see you in part 6.